I have a Fendi reveal for you guys. Sorry about that. I'm excited. Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Linda and I do post about fashion. If you're into that sort of thing, then please do consider subscribing so we can be friends. And if you're not new here, then thank you so much for watching my lovely videos. I think they're lovely anyway. So let me tell you a little bit about today's. It's a Fendi reveal. I unboxed it because I was so excited, so I'm sorry. It's not a true unboxing, it is just a reveal, a plain old reveal. So let's get straight into today's video. I get so excited when boxes come in the mail. Let me just say that. Like, why is this so addicting? Oh my gosh. So, my Fendi essay was texting me as per usual. And I was like, no, 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 be strong, you can do this. But then he sent me something that I was like, how badly do I want this item? Do I need this? No. I could carry my things in a public shopping bag. But this was cute. It was, let's just go, let me just show you the bag and then you'll understand. So, paper, getting faster through these. Thank you letter and receipt. The Fendi dust bag. I have so many dust bags, but honestly I use all of them. It's a rare occasion that I don't use a dust bag. I'm just saying, you use them for everything, like putting your, obviously your bag, duh, or your shoes, or also I use it even for like my over the head beats, because I'm never gonna actually use the huge case. Sorry, my dog is moody apparently. But yeah, I use these for like everything and anything. These are so handy, and I also use them to stuff the bag when I'm not like putting it in there. So anyway, I just realized I did all this and not actually showing you the bag. Here is the lovely beauty. Isn't she pretty? Don't lie. So this looks to me like it's from the Vertigo collection, from like the way the little FFs are, the print. Oh, we got some plastic here. Could be here all day trying to take off the plastic. Oh, there it goes. Yay! That magical moment. Beautiful, my precious. Okay, so you open that up. That was creepy, I'm sorry. And it comes with this like interesting strap. I never saw one like this, which is kind of like what grabbed my attention, because this is so casual. And as much as I love my fancy bags, I also really love having casual bags that I could just kind of like take to the supermarket, or like when I'm just going somewhere and I don't feel like being like, you know, all in your face or like have so much happening. Like I just want something little. And I feel like this bag, even though it's got the logo everywhere, it still feels understated. Like, who's really staring that hard? I am. I'm the person that's like, ooh, look at that. Look at that bag, and look at that bag, and look at her shoes. Like, I'm always looking, and I'm like just loving it and enjoying how people just express their fashion taste. And so here is that. It's like obviously super casual, but what I like is that you can just take it off and put another strap on. So it's really easy to adjust. You just kind of play around with this thing, and that's how you make it longer or shorter. So this is just so like look at that. Like, I feel like I just came back from like Peru. And the reason I say that is because in Peru, I bought so many little like satchels and stuff, and like the straps were like this, or they look like that. Like, it looks super chill and casual. Like, is she a backpacker? I don't know. But also the ones in Peru were a little bit this shape, because some of them were like water bottle holders. I feel like I should just go get it, but I don't exactly know where in my house it is. But yeah, it reminds me a little bit of that. But this, it's just so cute. And like I was saying, this comes off. So you could just take that off so easily, right? And now you could put this on there. Like, I don't know if it necessarily matches, because I haven't tried to do this yet, but let's check it out. I feel like Fendi is one of those brands that really lets you use things interchangeably. Okay, maybe not a perfect fit, but not horrible either. And then you can, yeah, I mean, does it work? Maybe not perfectly, but I mean, at least it's an option. Do I have a silver one? Oh, I do have a, there you go. I had to go for the one that like matches it the least. one. I have this one. Okay, here we go. This one's from the men's collection, I believe. And so you put it there, and it's also silver hardware, so that does match better. So you do this. Still not a perfect match, but honestly still not bad. Like, why not? Although I will say I actually love it with like its little casual strap that it already came with. But while we're playing this game, I do have some other little Fendi ones that I think I have two small straps too. Don't I? Sometimes I want to rely on you guys to fill me in because I forget things. Like, I see one right here. There's all these things I end up remembering like afterwards, and I'm like, haha. Okay, yeah, this definitely doesn't really match, but let's just see. Because that way, if you guys have one around this size, oh, that's adorable. I like that. So it doesn't match perfectly. It's different hardware. It's obviously like that hot pink and brown. But if you guys have one of the straps that's this size, then at least you'll know that it actually goes super cute. Like, that might get deodorant stains on it. And I feel like I'm one of those people that has like excessive deodorant on because I sweat. But yeah, maybe not so much up here, but at least to like hold it like that, you know, crook of your arm. However, that's actually really cute. So I do feel like this has some versatility, and I do love getting all these straps. Like, now I kind of want to buy one this size, but in something more neutral that I could match to more items like this. Like, I feel like I have more straps and I'm just forgetting. But regardless, this one is super cute. So let me show you the bottom. The part that connects actually has some of the blue leather that matches the bag. So it's not just that like plain. It still has its little details. So I'll put it back, and I'm gonna show you what fits in there, because I'm curious myself. Okay. There's nothing in here. And let me check. Nothing. Okay. So I have an iPhone. Had an iPhone. I'm kidding. This, what size? I don't know. It's not the big one. It's the normal one. Which is like roughly the same size as the Plus, but not the Max. Something like that. Okay. So yeah. So that fits in there with no problems. Does it close? Yes. Yes, it does. It peeks out a little bit. So I guess if you have the bigger one, it would still fit in there, but then this part wouldn't close. I guess that's all I could tell you. And there's still space for other things, because I have that huge, like, bob thinger right there in the back, the thingamabobber, and it still fit in there with, like, no issues pretty much. And it looks like there's still space for more things. And fun little feature, it has a little, like, slot in the back. Ugh. And in this slot, you can fit what looks to be like an ID or a credit card, and then this part would stop it from coming out completely. So like, I feel like, because I had actually tried, I put like a credit card or something in there before just to see like how it works, and it actually would like stop right here because of that little like ridge there. So that's actually really cool. I think that's a cute feature, because you know, sometimes if you're going to like the club or even the supermarket and they're like, we need to see your ID, and I feel like you just have it like out there already. Or a card holder would obviously fit in here if you're the type of person that doesn't even put your phone in here. Like, this could easily fit everything you need for just like errands. So he had it in different colors, but this is the one that did it for me, because I just feel like this one's the most casual and wearable one. So let me know what you guys think about my new little Fendi bag in the comments below. That wraps up today's video. I do hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I will catch you all for the next video. Bye, everyone.